Hi everyone.
Good afternoon.
It's really nice to see you again. And well, it's a very strange time for all of us at the moment. I mean, we decided to stay in this weekend to also, it's our own decision to limit our social contacts basically. Yeah. And to keep busy, we thought it might be a good idea to make a so-called cabinet pudding.
Yeah. Remember? Which tastes very good.
Yeah, it's really good. So we thought, I mean, if you're staying in as well, you might give that a try. It's really good. We did that 2 years ago and really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and we're going to do it now, and then we're going to have a nice tea.
Yes, so let's start.
Yeah.
But before we start cooking?
I don't know.
Is it cooking?
No,
or
it's baking.
Baking, something in between?
Yes, it is.
We want to show you what we changed in our kitchen, the additions to our kitchen.
Yeah, we call it improvements.
Yeah, what did we do?
Show it.
We put up some prints and curtains that we had in Germany, and we think it looks, well, it looks a lot better than before.
It does.
Well, we finally bought some prints and framed them and think they are just perfect for the wall. This is the beginning of our gallery wall, and we think we will add some antique plates that will go above the prints, and we left some space so that we can have smaller prints or plates on the right hand side, which we think will look really nice. There are some curtains as well, and it's really nice because these curtains were made by my mom, and where we had them in Germany, I think we've had them for...
In our guest room.
Yeah, but no, I was going to say 10 years now.
No. 8 years.
8 years, so they are about 8 years old. But it's really nice because they go perfectly with the shades, so we are really pleased with that, and it looks just a little bit more cozy.
Yeah.
So these are the curtains my mom made years ago. We bought the fabric at Laura Ashley, and she lined them as well, and we just got these tie backs and we found them at John Lewis. I can link them for you if you wish. These are the curtains and these are the shades. Really happy with it. And if you're looking for shades or romantic cushions, stuff like that, we got these shades from Liz from Philip and Shares. And I will link her shop down below. She lives here in the UK and actually ships worldwide. The shop is beautiful. And we already have the most amazing shades for our little snog as well. And Liz made them too. We can't wait to show them to you. And you might remember that we showed you our larder at the end of last year. They delivered the wrong one. And this is the correct one. It's the same colour. I think Farrenball New White, I'm not entirely sure. This one is bigger, well, the one we ordered, and we are so happy with it. It's really lovely. So that's the inside. You see it's a little bit bigger, perfect size. And a couple of days ago, we ordered something from Fortnum & Mason, and this is perfect for tea time, and I think we will be making a cake soon and combine combine it with an English tea time so we can share that as well. This is the book where we got the recipe from, the cabinet pudding recipe. This is the book Pride and Pudding that we bought 2 years ago and can highly recommend it. It's not just about recipes, it's just so aesthetically pleasing with beautiful imagery and very nice recipes. The cabinet pudding was very popular in the 19th century, and showing you more images. So beautifully done. Very, very nice. I just love this book so much. This is what you will need. I made a sponge cake, a gluten-free one, and we'll link the recipe down below in the description box. It's very easy. You could also buy one, I think. And then you need some, well, basic biscuits.
Yeah.
Biscuits, what does it say? 10 to 15 biscuits. Then you will need some glazed cherries. Jörg?
Yeah. And then you will need some cognac, or you could take rum.
Rum as well, yeah.
No, Kirsten prefers rum, but I prefer cognac. And some custard cream.
Yeah, some custard cream. And this is a very known British brand, but
yes.
Yeah, okay. And Jörg will now slice the sponge cake in 1 centimeter thick pieces. And then this will be arranged in a deep dish together with the biscuits. Now, drizzle with a generous amount of, it's cognac, I keep forgetting, and let it soak. I'm going to be drunk later, Jörg.
I don't think so.
And are you going to make the custard now?
Yes.
Okay. Custard will be the next step. We will be boiling, what did it say? 360 milliliters.
Of hot water.
Of water with this bird brand.
Yeah.
And now you have to place some cherries in the base of the mold. And then add some of their sponge biscuit mixture. It does smell of alcohol a lot. And you have to repeat that until the mold is about 3/4 full. This is our own way, how we make the pudding.
Usually you have to put the mold in a pot with boiling hot water and place it in the oven. Mm-hmm. What we're going to do is we're going to put it on the hob because we did it the last time and it was excellent.
Yeah.
And we had no problems with doing so.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's do it again. Jörg, just cover the mold with foil. Yeah.
Yeah. But you can also use a plate if you like to.
A plate?
Yes.
Mm-hmm, okay. We use our wok, and because that's really deep and perfect for the mold. just cover it with a lid and wait for 60 minutes.
Yeah. This is the good part. This is the part I like most.
Why?
Because now I can have a tea.
Yeah.
And some leftovers because then all the sponge was filled into the mold.
Joerg is having the leftovers. Is it nice?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like the dress, Joerg?
Yes, very much.
I like it.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to, I don't know, small things have to make you happy at this point, I think, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, just small things. You're just waiting for the pudding.
Yeah, waiting.
Do you know why it's called cabinet pudding?
No.
I mean, it just says it's from the 19th century, but cabinet pudding? Not entirely sure.
No.
But I think it would be something Mrs. Crocombe would make.
Who?
Mrs. Crocombe! I told you about Mrs. Crocombe of Audley End. She's the cook at Audley End during the Victorian period. She would make that. Definitely.
Okay. Probably, yeah.
So Joerg will be giving it a try to turn it out on a plate, but we are not really optimistic. I think it's quite soft still. Oh, my God. Well, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I mean, the one 2 years ago was
It's
higher. It's not too bad. It's all right, I think. So, you just said you would put it, to be on the safe side, you would put it into the fridge for
because it's too...
a bit soft.
Yeah, because it's still too warm.
Yeah,
It hasn't cooled down enough.
and quite soft, but I'm relieved. It's not too bad. So, what was our initial plan?
To have tea now.
Yeah,
But we can't because I have to put it in the fridge.
yeah. It's a
Yeah.
bit soft.
Yes, and if
Wait.
you try to slice it now, you won't get a slice, you just will get a ball.
Well, we actually wanted to show you how we try it, so yeah, we can't. Well, we hope you like this video, that it was a bit of a distraction for you.
Yeah, and we just can recommend, please try it.
Yeah, give it a try.
Yeah, and then enjoy it.
The so-called cabinet pudding.
Yeah?
I think we're going to try it tonight
Yeah, we do.
while watching TV.
Yeah.
And stay safe out there, and
And we hope to see you soon.
yeah, we hope to see you very soon, and take care. Bye.
Bye.
Well, we said we can't end this video without trying the pudding and not
Yeah.
tell you.
And that's what we're gonna do now.
And in 15 minutes there will be the new series on ITV called Belgravia, which we are quite excited about as well. So we'll watch that and have the pudding.
Yeah. So we're having a good time.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try. Small piece.
Very small.
And a bigger one for you.
No.
Yes.
Is it any good?
Excellent.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Very tasty. Very, very tasty. Det smakar riktigt good.
You were right.
I know, it was excellent.
It is excellent.
Yeah, so I can say, well done.
You know what? Both of us are having a second piece and then we'll watch TV.
Yeah, so we'll have a good dessert and have a nice evening on the couch and watch TV.
Yes, we will. And take care.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you very soon.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
It's a strange country.
Come on.